1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price $50,000. Mileage 1,234 miles. Location Grand Rapids, Michigan. Unleash extreme performance with the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, a purpose-built street and strip machine engineered for serious power and precision. Under the hood sits a freshly built Andy Beal SR 2632 engine, producing over 1,200 horsepower, paired with a reed case power glide transmission, 1.76 ratio, and an FTI converter, delivering explosive acceleration. Designed for high-performance racing, it features a dedicated nitrous system with its own fuel source, controlled by an advanced MSD7 AL3 ignition and nitrous controller, pushing its capabilities even further. Built on a mild steel 2x3 frame with a 4-link and wishbone setup, combined with strange double-adjustable shocks front and rear, it offers exceptional stability and control under extreme conditions. The Ford 9-inch rear with 4.10 gears along with massive 32 by 14.5 Hoosier tires ensures maximum traction and dominance on the pavement.
We're so close to something really special, just 1,000 subscribers. We've come this far because of amazing viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Your support means everything to us, and it truly motivates us to keep creating better content for you. Let's reach this milestone together. We can't do it without you.
1968 Pontiac Firebird Coupe 2D. Price $20,000. Mileage 123,456 miles. Location Buxton, Maine. Dominate the strip with the 1968 Pontiac Firebird, a serious race-ready machine built for power, speed, and performance. Under the hood roars a built 427 engine pushing an estimated 600 to 700 horsepower, paired with a built TH400 transmission featuring a trans brake, delivering brutal acceleration off the line. Constructed with an all-steel, all-glass body in outstanding condition, it features a tubbed back half with a 4-link setup and an 850 certified steel cage, ensuring strength, safety, and stability at high speeds. The drivetrain is reinforced with a shortened Dana 60 rear end, while 4-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping power. Equipped with a 1250 carburetor, manual steering, upgraded gauges, and a new switch panel, every detail is built for function and control. 1970 Chevy Nova race car. Price $125,000. Location Grand Prairie, Texas. Unleash elite-level performance with the 1970 Chevy Nova race car, a top-tier, professionally built machine designed for extreme power and precision. At its core is a massive 605 cubic-inch big-block Chevy engine, expertly built by Jeff Nazer, paired with a turbo 400 transmission that delivers relentless, smooth power under pressure. Equipped with a high-performance Pro Charger system, it produces incredible forced induction power, making it a true contender on the strip. The chassis features a race-engineered 4-link suspension and fabricated rear differential, ensuring maximum traction, stability, and control at high speeds. Built with no compromises, every component reflects premium craftsmanship and serious racing intent. 1971 Dodge Challenger Coupe 2D. Price $28,000. Mileage 71,234 miles. Location Millville, Pennsylvania. Unleash serious street and strip performance with a 1971 Dodge Challenger, a heavily upgraded muscle machine built for power and attitude. Under the hood lives a 408-stroker small block, enhanced with aluminum heads, roller rockers, and a YN street blower, delivering aggressive supercharged performance through a 750 CFM Demon carburetor and MSD ignition system. Paired with a built automatic transmission featuring a deep pan and cooler, it provides strong, reliable power delivery, while the 410 SureGrip rear end, 489 case 8 3/4, ensures maximum traction. Built for performance and control, it includes front disc brakes with line lock, rear drum brakes, frame ties, and an 8-point setup, making it ready for spirited driving. The car retains its original floor and trunk pans, blending authenticity with performance upgrades, while functional gauges, heater, wipers, and lights maintain everyday usability. 1961 Ford Galaxy Starliner race car. Price, $8,000. Mileage, 1,234 miles. Location, Leicester, New York. Get track ready with the 1961 Ford Galaxy Starliner, a turnkey vintage race car built for speed, reliability, and classic style. Powered by a 302 engine stroked to 347 cubic inches, paired with a 2-barrel Holley carburetor and Ford C4 automatic transmission, it delivers strong, responsive performance perfect for racing or spirited driving. Designed as a late-model vintage race build, it comes fully equipped with a racing seat, spare tires, and rims, making it ready to hit the track immediately with nothing needed. Finished in a striking blue, it carries a bold, eye-catching presence that turns heads both on and off the track. Built for enthusiasts who want a hassle-free racing experience, this Galaxy combines classic Ford heritage with proven performance upgrades, offering an affordable entry into vintage racing with a car that's already dialed in and ready to compete. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price, $48,000. Location, Concord, North Carolina. Command attention on the street and strip with the 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street, a high-performance build that blends aggressive styling with serious muscle. Under the hood sits a powerful, performance-tuned engine designed to deliver explosive acceleration and relentless torque, paired with a drivetrain built to handle the demands of a true pro street machine. Engineered for both show and go, it features a wide stance, enhanced suspension setup, and race-inspired components, giving it exceptional traction and control. Finished with a bold presence and meticulously detailed, it stands out as a head-turning classic that embodies the spirit of American muscle. Offered through Streetside Classics in Concord, North Carolina, this Nova represents a carefully curated example of craftsmanship and performance, ready for cruising, car shows, or dominating the pavement with confidence. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price $17,500. Mileage 123,456 miles. Location Lucedale, Mississippi. Unleash serious street power with a 1981 Chevrolet Camaro, a pro street beast built for raw performance and aggressive attitude. Under the hood roars a .060 over 396 big block, packed with TRW forged pistons, a steel crank, and topped with an 871 Y-end blower, fed by dual 650 double pumper carburetors, delivering brutal horsepower with very low runtime on the build. Paired with a built turbo 350 transmission and 3,500 stall converter, along with a 4.56 POSI rear end and 275 drag radials, it's engineered for explosive launches and hard pulls. Upgraded with a new aluminum radiator, dual fans with shroud, and electric water pump, it stays cool under pressure, while electric header cutouts unleash an aggressive exhaust note on demand. Finished in clean white with a blue interior. 1973 Plymouth Scamp Coupe. Price $25,900. Mileage 72,585 miles. Location Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Unleash brutal Mopar performance with the 1973 Plymouth Scamp, a fully built street and strip machine designed for serious speed and dominance. At its heart lies a massive 440 big block V8, equipped with Edelbrock aluminum heads and a nitrous setup, never sprayed, delivering incredible horsepower potential. Paired with a 727 automatic transmission featuring a reverse manual valve body and a 4200 stall converter, it provides lightning-fast, aggressive shifts. The drivetrain is backed by a strong 8 3/4 rear end, with 4.10 locker ensuring maximum traction when it matters most. Built for performance and safety, it features an 8.5-second certified chromoly roll cage with swing-out bars, along with a mini-tubbed rear setup and 12-inch wide Mickey Thompson tires, giving it a commanding stance and serious grip. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner Pro Street. Price $65,900. Unleash pure Mopar muscle with the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner Pro Street, a high-performance beast built for aggressive street presence and strip domination. Under the hood lies a massive big block V8 setup, engineered for extreme horsepower and relentless torque, paired with a performance-built transmission that delivers hard, precise shifts under pressure. Designed with a pro street stance, it features a wide rear setup, upgraded suspension, and reinforced drivetrain components to handle serious power while maintaining stability and control. Every inch of the build reflects craftsmanship and purpose. From its muscular body lines to its race-inspired engineering. Built for enthusiasts who demand attention and performance, it offers a thrilling driving experience with the unmistakable roar and attitude of classic American muscle. Combining iconic styling, 1972 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D. Price, $21,500. Mileage, 100,000 miles. Location, Ottawa, Kansas. Step into aggressive muscle car territory with the 1972 Pontiac GTO, a Pro Street-inspired build that blends classic style with serious performance upgrades. Powered by a strong big block engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission, it delivers hard-hitting acceleration and dependable power. Outfitted with a Holley Sniper fuel injection system, it offers improved throttle response and drivability, while the professionally built and painted frame and undercarriage reflect the quality of the build. The drivetrain is backed by a 12-bolt posse rear end with 4.56 gears and a 4-link suspension setup, providing exceptional traction and stability. Sitting on massive 31 by 1850 Hoosier rear tires, with room for even more rubber, it has the stance and grip to match its performance. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $33,000. Mileage, 88,000 miles. Location, Stockbridge, Georgia. Feel the raw muscle car energy of the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, a clean, rust-free street machine built for power, sound, and everyday drivability with serious attitude. Under the hood sits a built 383-stroker engine producing around 500 horsepower, delivering strong, pump-gas-friendly performance with instant throttle response. Paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a 3000 stall converter, it hits hard off the line while staying smooth enough for street cruising. The drivetrain is strengthened with a 12-bolt rear end and 4.11 gears, giving it aggressive acceleration and strong rear grip. Cooling is handled by an aluminum radiator, while Willwood brakes provide confident stopping power to match the performance. A new fuel tank with sump setup ensures steady fuel delivery under hard driving, completing a well-thought-out street build. 2002 Chevrolet Cavalier Pro Stock Race Car. Price, $95,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Santo, Texas. Step into elite-level drag racing with the 2002 Chevrolet Cavalier Pro Stock build, a purpose-built, carbon fiber race machine engineered for extreme speed and precision competition. At its core sits a TRE 632 racing engine, paired with a Brodix aluminum block and BRX 18-cylinder heads featuring titanium valves, delivering brutal horsepower designed for high-speed consistency. The top end is refined with Jesel aluminum and steel rockers, ensuring durability under extreme RPM demands. Power is transferred through an Abruzzi Powerglide transmission and matching converter, built for quick, aggressive shifts and maximum efficiency on the strip. The chassis is equipped with NES 4 link brackets, lamb struts, and a fully engineered suspension system, providing razor-sharp control at high speeds. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Supercharged Pro Street. Price: $86,500. Mileage: 300 miles. Location: Lincoln Park, Michigan. Unleash show-stopping power with the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street, a rotisserie-built, award-winning muscle masterpiece combining extreme horsepower with flawless show car presentation. Under the hood roars a 510 cubic inch big block Chevy, force-fed by a massive 8-71 Mooneyham supercharger, producing an impressive 915 horsepower on pump gas. Fuel delivery is handled by brand new twin 850 quick fuel blower carburetors, while performance internals include Promax aluminum heads, diamond pistons and rods, a forged nitrated crankshaft, comp cam, and Jesel valvetrain, all engineered for strength and high RPM durability. Exhaust flows through hooker headers and a custom 4-inch Flowmaster system, giving it a deep, aggressive tone to match its power. Backing the engine is a turbo 400 transmission with reverse manual valve body, paired with a Dana 60 rear end, featuring 4.56 gears and 35 spline strange axles, ensuring maximum traction under hard acceleration. A ladder bar suspension setup and Dynotech custom driveshaft keep the power planted and controlled. Finished in stunning House of Color plum pearl purple with airbrushed graphics, the car is just as refined underneath as it is on top, showcasing a fully detailed underside and award-winning craftsmanship. 1967 Dodge Coronet 2-door sedan. Price: $80,000. Mileage: 300 miles. Location: Port Huron, Michigan. Experience pure Mopar dominance with the 1967 Dodge Coronet, a rare, fully built Hemi-powered Pro Street machine blending show-quality finish with brutal drag-ready performance. At its heart sits a 588 cubic inch all-aluminum KB FHO Hemi, designed for pump gas operation while delivering massive torque and horsepower, paired with a Barton magnesium cross-ram intake system for optimized airflow and top-end power. Backing the engine is an ANA 727 full-roller transmission equipped with a trans brake and clean neutral setup, along with a gear vendor's overdrive system for added drivability. Power is transferred to a Dana 60 rear end with 4.56 gears, ensuring aggressive acceleration and maximum traction under load. The chassis is engineered for serious performance with coilover suspension, ladder bar setup, wheelie bars, and QA1 upper and lower control arms, delivering stability and precision even under hard launches.